So we're talking about avoidance of cost increases in family law cases, in family dissolution cases, right? And, you know, I'm very passionate about family law. It's not something that I ever felt that I would be drawn to, but my own personal upbringing and my experiences being able to help others in family law have made me very passionate about something that 20 years ago when I was in law school, I never thought I'd even want to do. I remember I had to take Texas family law because it was on the bar exam, but now it's something I truly love and live for. And because I know that at the end of the day, I'm still in the rescue business and that I get to make a difference in an individual person's life or a child's life. And that is a rewarding feeling. So back to costs in family law cases and how to avoid them and how to be aware of them. Well, not understanding what the purpose of the family court is. The family court is not to get the parties back even for every wrong that was done during the entire marriage. The court is, look, our family law courts in Texas have more work than they can say grace over. You know, they have plenty of work. And when they're not dealing with good parents who really pretty much got their act together and they got good kids and they got healthy households, even though they're splitting them up, they've got CPS cases where parents are being, you know, put in jail, kids are taken away, they're basically on probation to get their kids back. And if they don't get their act together in a year, their parental rights are terminated. So the role of the family court is not to be the dad, be the mom, be the cops, get everybody squared away for all the wrongdoing done during the underlying marriage. It's to make hard calls on custody and property division. And that's really it. And getting into the weeds on things that happened pretty much 2 to 4 years prior to any divorce being filed. One, court's not going to hear it. Court's not going to hear things that happen if you're on a modification of a prior decree of divorce and it has something to do with the kids or what have you. Court cannot look behind the prior order. That's not the role of the court, right? The role of the court is to make tough decisions, to follow the law as set out by the people we elect down in Austin, the Texas legislature. So focusing in on contentious issues, on old wounds, on things that are way down in the weeds that don't have to do with custody or property division can unnecessarily lead to further delay and frustration in your case, stretching out your ability to close your case, increasing your costs by increasing the time you're in the lawsuit. And that over time is going to increase the amount of attorney's fees you have to pay, the risk that you have to pay the other side's attorney's fees, or things of that nature. So remember, think like a smart mom. Laser focus, go right for the issues that have to be dealt with and focus only on those issues. And don't get sidetracked by old wounds, old issues down in the weeds, things that don't have to do with whatever's before the court that's most critical: child custody, property division. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share on any video platform. You got questions or comments, chat at ashmorelawfirm.com, and I'll get back to you with a subsequent video or direct reply or both. Thank you.